Hello there, in this video I'm gonna explain you the directory structure in Linux. So any Linux operating system has got the directory structure starting with slash. So if you do this command in Linux shell ls slash, it will display all the directories at the top level. So this is the list of all the directories at the top level, and if you wanna view the hidden files as well, you can type like that and it will display the hidden files as well. So over here, if you do here, it is showing the all the directories that are available in the top root level. So first is the bin directory, and the bin directory is used contains a lot of binary executables. So if you go to that directory cd/bin and do ls, as you can see, it is showing all these files. So most of these files over here are actually the executables, the commands that you can execute from the terminal. So bash is here, then some of the important files like bzbox, then we have got cat executable here, chmod executable, change group executable, then change owner. All these files are there. Then dash shell is there, date command is there, df command is there, which is used to free the disk, dir command is there, less command is there. So most of the executables are available in the bin directory. So I'll just go back to the main directory, top directory. So if you do ls again, so it will show the display all the files. So cd-rom is nothing but the cd-rom files, like files on the cd-rom will be available over here. So if you do ls/cd-rom, there's nothing there because there is no cd-rom at the moment in my system. Then etc directory contains all the files, like configuration files that Linux system uses. So if you do ls/etc, it will display all the files available in that particular directory. So as you can see, there are lots of files, configuration files over there. So all these blue color lines are like directories and others are like files. So in here there is bash rc file, then bluetooth directory, then cron tab, which is used for the scheduled jobs in Linux. Then it is also having the group file, which contains the group information, then host name, hosts file. So all the configuration data is stored over here, as you can see. And another important file is a networks related file, then passwd file, so which contains all the user and groups information. So it contains the system configuration files in Linux. So that's about that file. So if you do ls/, it will again show the root directory file. So we have covered etc. Then lib file, lib directory contains all the library files that are used by the Linux system for the operations. Then media contains the mount media files. So for example, if you do ls/media, there's nothing in there. Then opt contains optional files that are used by the system. Root contains the root, only root user can access that particular directory. So if you do ls/root, it will say permission deny. So for that you will have to do sudo ls and then /root, and there's nothing in there right now. It should be the hidden files out there. As you can see, there are some hidden files out there in the root directory. Then sbin is nothing but the executable for the super user. Then sys directory contains the system related files. user directory contains all the executables, binaries, softwares installed by the user are stored in that user directory. After that, there is a boot directory which contains the grub and the files required for booting the system. And dev directory contains all the devices attached to the system. And home directory is nothing but the directory where users can write their own data. The lost and found directory contains all the anonymous files which Linux is not able to figure out who this file belongs to. So those files are stored in that particular directory. Mount directory contains all the mount points on the system. And there is a run directory, survey directory, temp directory. Temp directory contains all the temporary files are stored over there. Then fair directory contains all the data that changes over as the system runs over time. So it contains the variable data. So all these files directories are available in the Linux, and you can just explore them by using the ls command. They're viewing the file contents that are interesting, and that's how you can learn the Linux. So if you like this video, hit like button.